Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify in 2025. Now this setup lets you import your products directly from CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify store, manage your orders automatically and fulfill them with just one click. So let's go through the complete process using the latest interface. First of all, you need to come here on the Shopify admin dashboard of yours. Once you are inside, simply click on the option of apps here in the left hand section. After that, select the option of all recommended apps. Then click on the option of Shopify App Store. Now, once you are here on the Shopify App Store, simply use this search bar and search for CJ Dropshipping. Once you are able to find the CJ Dropshipping application, simply click on the option of install right next to it. Then it will open a new tab. So you just have to wait and click on the option of install again here too. So this is going to be taking some time in installing your CJ Dropshipping application in your Shopify store. Now, once this step is done, simply open a new tab and search for CJ Dropshipping. Once you are here on the official website of cjdropshipping.com, you need to simply click on the option of register in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to create your free account. Or if you already have an account, you just have to log in here with the help of email address and your password. So this is going to be your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Over here in the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options. So among these options, you just have to try to find authorization. When you hover over to the authorization option, you will see all of the e-commerce platforms that you can basically connect your CJ Dropshipping to. So since you want to connect it to Shopify, simply click on the option of Shopify, then wait for some time until it shows you the connected option. So over here, you just have to click on the option of add store, then click on the option of authorize. After that, you just have to basically connect your Shopify store. They have also given you the instructions over here and you just have to authorize it. And this way you will be able to basically connect your CJ Dropshipping to Shopify in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.